Hey, what's up folks, this is GK. So today I'm gonna share with you some important information and an opportunity for people who are getting into cloud or who are looking for cloud jobs. So Monster has reached out to me to share this event or career fair to get into the Microsoft related cloud or Azure, and then you can participate in this event and get your first cloud job. Before I get into the details of this event, full disclosure that Monster did not pay to do this video. So this is on my own so that this information will be helpful for a lot of you guys who are looking for your first cloud job. So do watch this video till the end because I have some exclusive goodies for subscribers of our channel. So this is a virtual career fair. It's named as Velocity by Monster in partnership with Microsoft. So this is going to start on 13th and last till 17th this month. So it's a virtual event where you can participate through your laptop and then you can browse through lots of jobs, like 400 plus jobs, and there are about 50 plus companies who are going to participate in this event. So the companies are like PwC, Geo, Hitachi, and there are lots of other companies as well who are going to be in that fair, and you can participate in that fair and try to apply to the jobs, and then you can maybe get a job by end of 17th or they'll get back to you. So there are two important minimum requirements to participate in this event. One, you should definitely have the Microsoft certifications, either Azure Fundamentals, or there are other certifications that you can get, or if you already have, you can just go through the registration link and participate in this event. So if you do not have, you can go through the list of certifications that I have put in the description, the link in the description. So go through those list of certifications and try to get at least one certification and then participate in the event. So the registration process is straightforward. All you have to do is you have to click on the below link that I have put in the description and then register for the event. And if you already have a certification, just put your certification badge in that and then participate in the event. The event is live right now, but the applications will be considered from 13th to 17th. So let's say you do not have certification at this point of time. What you can do is you can go through the registration link and then you can select I do not have certification at this point of time, and then you can register to the event. But before 13th, make sure you have at least one certification to participate in the event. Now you might be having this question like, it's tough to get a certification in 13 days. I totally agree with that. Try to at least get Azure Fundamentals, which is the most easiest one in Azure Cloud. But there are other certifications which I'm not aware of. But at least you can watch my previous video on how I got Azure Fundamentals in less than a week or in a week. You can also follow that and then you can get certified and then you can participate in this event. And also other important thing is, if you haven't got your certification, after you have registered through the Velocity website, you will get 40% discount on some of the certifications. Or if not, I'm going to give you the email address of Monster where you can reach out to them regarding the event. Because I haven't registered myself in the event, I'm just passing the message that I got from Monster. So feel free to ask them if you have any questions. Now the other minimum requirement is that you should have at least 1 year of experience. So it is from 1 to 8. I'm sorry for the freshers because they are not accepting with 0 years of experience. But people who are in other domains or other technologies who have certification, maybe this is an opportunity for you all to switch to cloud and try this fair. So the way event works is it's a virtual event. You can go through the screens here like I've shown here. This is from the previous fair. This is not the ones that is happening right now. But you can expect the similar experience in this fair as well. You can go through a booth and then you can go to that specific company and look for the job opportunities in that company and then chat with the recruiter and then possibly get an offer through this fair. Now coming to the main part, exclusive goodies. So if you're already subscribed to this channel, all you have to do is you have to click on the link for the registration. So this is an exclusive link for this channel once you've registered to the event. So top 5 people who have registered to the event will be selected and will be given the Amazon 1000 rupees gift vouchers. So that will be given to the subscribers in Jan first week from Monster. Alright folks, that's all I wanted to share in this video. I hope for people who have got the certification and who are trying to switch from different domains, may explore this event fair or the career fair and see if you can get your first cut into cloud. For people who are yet to get certified, this is an opportunity for you all to get at least one certification and participate in this event. But if you have any questions on this event, please reach out to the Monster guys and the email is in the description and let me know your thoughts. I hope that this is going to be helpful for you all. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye.